High-value women parts and components, engineering and machining are the reason customers choose Xiang Cheng to produce their non-standard, customized, precise machine parts. We have the knowledge and capability to realize from design and products in providing high-value custom machined components and parts to speaking on time. Xiang Cheng offers customized parts and components for the field of artificial intelligence, auto production lines equipment, VR assessment machine, APL and dredging field. Our service covers from CNC axis machining to normal milling and turning, from single customized parts to high-volume machine parts, from prototypes to products. Xiang Cheng could make deep mini multi-holes at 1.5 mm in high speed with its advanced CNC drilling machine. Machined parts tolerance keeps at 0.01 mm, and we can also bring a plus and max benefit for our clients, from product idea, design drawing, engineering, production, and quality control. With our experienced and skillful engineers and technical team, benefit from Xiang Cheng's high education, experienced operation team, we are getting a reliable, long-term, continual and quality holds business cooperation manners with our customers all over the world. If your project requires in mechanical machining, most reliable and on-time handover in more precise parts and components, we are here you will find.